Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This box I've been waiting to do this video for. It's Bluebird Lacquer's Holiday Advent box. And it is February now, February 21st. But better late than never. I decided I would go ahead and shoot this now. I didn't want to spoil it earlier. Then things got crazy, got busy. I rearranged my nail area and then got distracted with doing that and posting things for sale on my D-Stash page. So it's kind of been one thing after another. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Again, this is Bluebird Lacquer's Holiday Advent Box for 2020. You're supposed to start on, I think it said the 13th of December and open one per day. So this is number one. Let's face it. It's a 100% cotton face mask with surgical ear loops and adjustable metal nose piece. Super cute design. I really like it. Very cute. And now I'm just going through trying to get the numbers, some of the packages out to get to number 2. So let me just sort through the box and find this. I think these are so much fun. I absolutely love opening the advent calendars. Maybe one of these days I'll actually do it on time. The other one I opened, it was a spoiler alert, and I opened them all on the same day, which was early. This is Snowball's Chance Encounter, an iridescent ice blue to pink shift with scattering of hollow and iridescent pink gold mint flakies. Can be used alone or as a topper to create effects. I think it's super pretty. This is item number 3, Soothing Shower Steamers. And the description reads, you work hard, you deserve a moment to relax. Pop one of these into the basin of your shower, breathe deeply and enjoy. Grinchmas scent is a crisp, refreshing blend of candy canes, white chocolate, lemon, and crushed mint. Oh, that sounds great. I have not used a shower steamer yet, so I'm kind of looking forward to trying it. This item number 4 is called Fur Sure, and fur like the tree, F-I-R. Packed with a blend of green, gold, copper, blue shifting flakies and a dash of red flakies and a gold shimmer to create a classic holiday look. And I think it's gorgeous. Reminiscent of a wreath of holly or bundle of mistletoe, can be worn alone or over another polish to create an effect. Awesome. Super pretty. Moving right along here. This is number 5. Zero Thirst Whipped Body Butter. This is not like your usual body butters. It has a light lotion-like consistency and absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky residue. Lord of Misrule scent is a wonderful blend of patchouli and creamy vanilla with a spicy kick of black pepper. I actually rubbed it on my hand and I'm smelling it. I don't get the black pepper, but I didn't use a lot either. But I do like patchouli. The blend of patchouli and vanilla is beautiful. I love it. Lovely. And this is number 6. Oh, there's number 6. Ooh, I like number 6. It's called I've Lost It. So cute. Oh my god, I love the name. And look at that color. Oh, it's so gorgeous. A purple to copper shifting duochrome with purple, pink, magenta, gold shifting iridescent flakies and a silver shimmery sparkle. Oh, what a gorgeous purple. I cannot wait to wear this one. I didn't get everything out of the box yet, so we are looking for number 7. Nope, that's not it. Number 7, where are you? Number 7. I like to clean as I go. And here we go. Number 7. Shine a little light candle. This is a holiday advent exclusive creation made with eco soy wax and scented with marshmallow pumpkin fluff. This is 6-ounce candle. Is sure to bring you some joy to your holiday season. Marshmallow pumpkin fluff is a creamy, warm pumpkin scent with a hint of sweet toasted marshmallows. And it smells awesome. This is number 8, Make It Rain. Ooh, look at that. It's a deep sapphire blue hollow, heavily pigmented and sparkly as heck. And I would 100% agree with that. I also can't wait to wear that one. Actually, they're all super gorgeous. But I love polish, so. This is number 9. No More Uglicles Cuticle Balm and Vanilla Bean Noel. This balm is cruelty-free, made from the finest shea, avocado, and aloe butters combined with jojoba and fractioned coconut oil to give you creamy, lasting hydration. Vanilla Bean Noel scent is like warm vanilla sugar cookies topped with fresh whipped cream. Doesn't that sound delightful? Oh my god, and it feels so nice and not greasy, but at the same time it's moisturizing. I love this paper. Super cute. This is number 10. Let's Get Blitzened. A medium gray crowley jam-packed with purple, red, gold UCC flakies and a scattering of gold flakies. Look at that. Super pretty. I can see like some like deeply colored stamping over the top of that. Like something like deep red would look awesome. This is number 11. Zero Thirst Sugar Scrub Cubes, which I've not seen these before. I use sugar scrub often, but not sugar scrub cubes. This is also another holiday advent exclusive creation. Give your hands and body a treat by hydrating and exfoliating at the same time with these one-time use sugar cube scrubs. Say that 10 times fast. Made with shea butter soap, and fine-grained sugar to gently exfoliate. Unicorn hot cocoa is a delicious blend of a delicious blend of dark chocolate, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of coconut. Don't let the unicorn poop appearance discourage you. These are amazing. This is Surprise. It's a perfect red hollow sparkler. Off Centaur is a play on the Bluebird most wanted red glowy micro hollow Centaur of attention. This is a deep red jelly full of large particle hollow to create a dazzling hollow effect. And I'm super stoked, and I really feel like I do have Centaur of attention. And this will go in my Helmer drawer safely with the rest of my Bluebird lacquers until I'm ready to use them. And this is last but not least. Called Don't Think 2021, and is a gorgeous silver hollow with flakies. There's no description on that one. And here's all the beautiful polishes in this lovely advent box. I super enjoyed this. It was lots of fun, and I hope you don't mind me kind of getting the video done and getting everything shown kind of quickly. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Until then, we'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks. Bye.